Welcome back to Quiz Quack. Think you are smart? Let's test you general knowledge with 101 easy questions that everybody should know. Keep track of your score and let me know in the comments section. Let's get started. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. How many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C., named after George Washington, is the capital of the USA. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Do you know who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare wrote the play Romeo and Juliet. Which is the longest river in the world? Correct. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. What is the fastest land animal? The cheetah, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 to 75 miles per hour. What is the capital of France? Paris, known as the City of Light, famous for the Eiffel Tower. What is the largest ocean in the world? That's correct, the Pacific Ocean. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Neil Armstrong on July 20th, 1969. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmosphere of pressure. How many days are there in a leap year? Right, 366 days, with an extra day added to February. What is the capital of Italy? Well done, that's Rome. What is the chemical symbol for gold? That's correct. It's Au, from the Latin word aurum. Which country is called the Land of the Rising Sun? Japan, because it lies east of the Asian continent where the sun rises. How many players are there in a football, soccer team? 11 players on the field for each team. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Well done, it is blue whale. Next question, who painted the Mona Lisa? That's correct, Leonardo da Vinci. What is the capital of the United Kingdom? Absolutely right. It's London. How many bones are in the adult human body? Excellent. 206 bones. What is the capital of Canada? The capital of Canada is Ottawa. Which gas do humans need to breathe to survive? It's oxygen. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Correct answer. It is Mount Everest. You are going very well. What is the most spoken language in the world? English is the most widely spoken language. What is the national currency of the United Kingdom? The British pound sterling. How's it going? Are you keeping track of your score? Let us know in the comments. What organ pumps blood throughout the human body? Correct answer is the heart. What is the capital of Australia? Good going. Canberra is the capital of Australia. How many sides does a triangle have? A triangle has 3 sides. What is the main gas found in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen, 78%, followed by oxygen, 21%. Who invented the telephone? Exactly. Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. What is the freezing point of water? 0 degrees Celsius, the temperature at which water turns into ice. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin, a city with rich history and culture. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars, due to iron oxide on its surface. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Brilliant! A rainbow has 7 colors. Who discovered gravity? Nice one! Sir Isaac Newton. What is the capital of Spain? Excellent! Madrid is the capital of Spain. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland, covering over 2.1 million square kilometers. What is the capital of China? Beijing, formerly known as Peking. Which natural satellite orbits Earth? The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite. What is the main ingredient in bread? Flour, usually made from wheat. Which country invented paper? Good going. It's China. How many planets are in the solar system? There are 8 planets, since Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia, designed as a planned city in 1960. Who was the first president of the United States of America? George Washington, serving from 1789 to 1797. What is the capital of Russia? Well done! It is Moscow, the largest city in Europe. What is the largest organ in the human body? The skin, covering the entire body and acting as a protective barrier. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury, unique among metals. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? The Indian Ocean, the third largest ocean in the world. What is the capital of Mexico? Mexico City, one of the largest cities in the world. Which continent is also a country? Good job! It's Australia, both a continent and a country. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O, representing 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. What is the fastest bird in the world? The peregrine falcon, diving at speeds over 300 kilometers per hour. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Amelia Earhart, in 1932. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? France, in 1886, as a symbol of friendship. What is the capital of South Korea? Seoul, a major technology hub. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. What is the capital of Argentina? Well done! It's Buenos Aires, located on the Rio de la Plata. Who is known as the father of computers? Charles Babbage, who designed the first mechanical computer in the 19th century. What is the world's most popular sport? Football, soccer, played by over 250 million people worldwide. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo, located near the Nile River and Giza pyramids. Which organ helps us breathe? The lungs, responsible for gas exchange. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus, with surface temperatures above 465 degrees Celsius due to a thick atmosphere. Who developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein, published in 1905 and 1915. What is the capital of Turkey? Ankara, though Istanbul is the largest city. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? The camel, adapted for desert life. What is the square root of 81? 9, since 9 times 9 equals 81. Who was the first person to sail around the world? Ferdinand Magellan's expedition, 1519 to 1522. What is the capital of Greece? Right answer. It's Athens. How many degrees are there in a circle? A circle has 360 degrees. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? The Amazon rainforest, covering much of South America. What is the capital of South Africa? It has 3 capitals: Pretoria, administrative; Cape Town, legislative; Bloemfontein, judicial. Who was the first man to discover America? Christopher Columbus, in 1492, though Native Americans lived there long before. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Fe, from the Latin word ferrum. What is the tallest building in the world? That's right. It is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, UAE, 828 meters. What is the capital of India? Excellent. It is New Delhi. Which is the coldest continent on Earth? Antarctica, with record lows below -89 degrees Celsius. How many teeth does a normal adult human have? Great! It's 32 teeth, including wisdom teeth. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese, not Spanish. Which country is famous for pizza and pasta? Italy, known for its cuisine worldwide. How many stars are there on the U.S. flag? Right answer, 50 stars, representing the 50 states. What is the capital of Thailand? Bangkok, officially called Krung Thep Mahan Nakhon. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie in physics, 1903. Later also in chemistry, 1911. What is the most common gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen, making up about 78%. What is the currency of the European Union? Most countries. Well done, the euro. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison, though others also contributed to its development. What is the capital of Indonesia? Jakarta, located on Java Island. What is the largest country in South America? Right answer, Brazil, both in area and population. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh, located in the Central Desert region. Who discovered America before Columbus? Leif Erikson, a Norse explorer, reached North America around 1000 AD. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours based on Earth's rotation. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond, formed from carbon under extreme pressure. What is the capital of Kenya? Excellent! It's Nairobi. Which is the second largest ocean in the world? The Atlantic Ocean, between the Americas, Europe, and Africa. Who wrote the Odyssey? Homer, the ancient Greek poet. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Ag, from the Latin argentum. What is the capital of Sweden? Correct answer is Stockholm, spread across 14 islands. Which instrument measures earthquakes? A seismograph, recording ground vibrations. What is the capital of Norway? Oslo, a port city in Scandinavia. What is the study of stars and planets called? That's correct. Astronomy, the science of celestial objects. Who invented the airplane? The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, in 1903. What is the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth? The blue whale, larger than even the biggest dinosaurs. Drop your score in the comments. If you liked this challenge, hit subscribe and tell me. I'd love to make more for you.